Hey guys, it's me, Dee, and welcome to my channel, Thank You Toast. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on all my upcoming videos. Okay, so this video I'm gonna talk all about no-cook meal prep for work. So I leave for work in the mornings around 7:15, don't get home till around 7:30 p.m. and I'm exhausted. I don't have time to be cooking. My Mondays through Fridays are pretty hectic, so I try to set myself up for success with these easy, healthy, no-cook meals that I take to work. So I'm talking breakfast, lunch, and snacks only. So yeah, I just did my grocery shopping at Trader Joe's and I'm gonna show you everything that I got. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what I use each item for. For breakfast, the green non-fat plain yogurt, I take a cup with me to work, and then once I get there, I already have a jar of peanut butter there. So I grab a teaspoon or less than a teaspoon of peanut butter, put it in the yogurt, stir it all up together to help with that bitterness of the plain yogurt. What I also do is my office supplies bananas, so I'll get half a banana and smash it into the yogurt, which helps with the sweetness, and then the other half I eat it for fun. But yeah, I always recommend getting the plain yogurt. It has the least amount of sugar. You can always add the sweetness with some natural fruit. But yeah, that's what I do for breakfast. And then for lunch, what I do is I put this bowl together in the mornings before I leave for work. And what I do is I get a bag of this organic brown rice, which is frozen. I get a bag and I pop it in the microwave for 3 minutes. And while that's heating up, I get the Just Chicken, which is pre-cooked chicken, and I chop it up into pieces and put that in a bowl. I then get the bag of kale, grab about a handful or two, chop it up into smaller pieces. It's already in pieces, but I still like them to be smaller. And then I get the bag of organic broccoli florets, and I get like a handful of those too and just chop them up into smaller bites. Once the brown rice is heated up, I get half of the bag and put it in that bowl with the chicken, kale, and broccoli. And then the other half of the brown rice, I put in a Tupperware and save it for tomorrow. And then along with that, I take one of the teeny tiny avocados and I take it to work with me. So what I do is I'll cut it here, take the seed out, and then I close it with a rubber band and take that with me, and whenever it's lunchtime, I scoop it all out and put it in my bowl and mix it all together. So the secret for this sauce, the secret sauce for this bowl is this Trader Joe's roasted tomatillo salsa, and that helps add a lot of flavor without adding dressing which can be loaded with hidden sugars. But yeah, that's been my go-to lunch for a while. If I ever feel like mixing it up, I'll just, add some quinoa or some other things that I may have around my house. But, I haven't gotten tired of this. It's been my go-to and I love it. Moving on to snacks. So I usually start to crave snacks in the office around 2 o'clock or 3. So I always like to make sure I have stuff handy. So strawberries and blackberries, those are my favorite fruits. They're the low sugar fruits, so I like snacking on these. And what I'll do is I'll wash them, chop them up, put them in a container, and take them with me. I also like to take baby carrots and sweet bell peppers. I always grab these. They're my favorite. I'll chop them up and put the carrots and the bell peppers in a separate container from the fruit. And snack on the veggies first, and if I need more of a snack, then that's when I go to my fruit. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that I got. It's just a few items, but it really is enough to feed me for the full week, the work week. And yeah, be sure to watch my other videos where I actually show you how to put everything together. And be sure to subscribe so you can see more videos like this.